Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone touchscreen not working by following these simple steps. So let's get started. Very first thing, if you're having any issues with the touchscreen, is you're going to follow these steps. First thing is, if you have a tempered glass or screen protector maybe you put on, or one that got damaged, you want to go ahead and remove that. That can impact the touchscreen for first. And then second of all, if you install a new case or have a case that might have got damaged, sometimes it can also interfere with the touch. So try removing that as well. And then try to clean it with a microfiber cloth. Usually helps to clean, making sure there's no dirt or dust build up. Usually I like to take a microfiber cloth and just clean it down so that there's nothing interfering with that touchscreen. Now after you did this simple step, you're going to follow this step to go ahead and force restart it. You're going to go ahead and quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'm going to do volume up, volume down, and then I hold down this side button just like that and keep on holding it until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo reappear on the screen. So it went black. I'm still holding down here, and once I see the Apple logo appear, I let go. Well, again, this is known as a forced restart, which shuts down the phone software, reloads the code. It does not delete any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps, everything will still be there. Again, all you have to do is quickly press and release volume up, followed by volume down in that sequence, and then hold down that big side button. You may need to do it a few times if it doesn't work the very first time, so keep on trying it until you can get it to work. And after that, your touchscreen should be working and should be fixed just like that. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.